David had one in the box, never even opened. Just like this one. So I thought, well, if I can get, well, to sell this one, yeah, I'll really bring that. Hey, look at that. I mean,
Yeah.
it's just beat up some. You sure? Hey, I told you I'd let you have it for 45.
I'm still trying to get rid of a half a dozen.
Go over here 45, you might try.
You know, the thing is that the models that are out on the market right now, there's probably only 2 or maybe 3 I'd even consider buying right now.
I'm pretty happy with what I got. I want to get a jet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'll probably get that red one for the first year, and then that's gonna pretty well be it. I sent the other CJ to Houston with my sister.
Oh yeah, that's right. You didn't bring the new CJ out today, did you?
Bring a new plane. Well, if I'd known it was this nice, I might have. But
Yeah, it was a beautiful day for it. I tell you what, I am really, really glad that guy didn't buy that Park Zone T28 I got.
really?
Yeah, the guy was hum-hauling around. Good landing. He was hum-hauling around about it, and finally I told him, I was like, "Hey, just give me $60 for it." And he's like, let me think about it. So I took it out here and flew it. I'm like, holy crap, man, that'd have been a big mistake. That thing flies so wonderful.
Well, I was saying, if somebody walked up and really just wanted to buy this plane out here,
Mm-hmm.
I'd probably let it go for 75. You know? So,
Oh, yeah, you know, listen, it's a $100 bill plane, being a used one like that. I promise you, take it up someplace to Roy's, you'll get 100.